In JavaScript, there's an object called Document.all. This is an object that ships with the browser, so it's part of the WhatWG spec rather than the JavaScript spec maintained by ECMA International. And this object, if you look at it, will appear to be an object, but it will also appear to be undefined at the same time. So let's check this out. Let's say console.log document.all instance of object. So here we can see that document.all is an instance of an object. Okay, so that's a good start. But now let's do another log. Let's say console.log type of document.all. And here we see the type of document.all is undefined. Well, how can that be if document.all is indeed an object? Well, this is an edge case that you can find if you look at the HTML spec produced by WhatWG. There's a section in the HTML spec that talks about obsolete objects. And down here, it says that the all attribute must return an HTML collection that is rooted at the document node whose filter matches all elements. So what's going on here is this document.all object used to be a standard way to access DOM elements, in particular with old versions of Internet Explorer. It never became a standard and it was never used very often, but in order to keep compatibility with older browsers, they've decided to keep it as an object even though it no longer has any value associated with it to prevent old code from breaking.